submit button, there's a reset button. So we'll go ahead and click on that. And it clears off the calculator. Now, we know our serving size is 56 grams and we know our calories are 210. Now, if the food didn't appear on a list, we could still use the calculators and correct them so that they give off correct numbers. Now, how this works is we need to make the result charts that our calculators produce match the side of the packages. Now, the side of the packages matches, or the side of the packages are always correct. The food companies spend thousands or tens of thousands or millions of dollars to make sure their nutrition facts are correct. So we know that to be a fact. So we just need to make our calculators match these food packages. So that's what I'm going to show you now. Is that, maybe the food wasn't in our chart, so we're going to go ahead and do it ourselves. So we could leave the density adjustment factor blank or put in a 0. It doesn't matter. If you leave it blank, the computer assumes a 0. The serving size and the calories. Serving size, remember, 56 grams. Calories, 210. Click on submit. The output is below the input, or the input charts here. Okay, it's not a liquid, so we skip over liquid. Now we're at grams. Now, go to our 2 ounces, which is our serving size on the side of the package, and look over here for calories. Now you'll see it says 213 calories. Now that means that our calculators are high. We're giving it too many calories. Now we can go fix that by going up here. And for our density adjustment factor, we can say a negative number. Negative numbers will bring the calories down. Positive numbers, like this one, will push the calories up. Okay? So it depends on what you're trying to do. In our case, we're trying to bring the calories down. We're going to put in a -3. Click on submit and see what happens. Skip over to liquid chart. Here's our gram chart. 2 ounces, remember that's what we're looking for our serving size. Go over here, 206 calories. So I've brought them down too far. I've overshot. Let's go back up. And let's try -1 this time. Go back down, past the liquid chart. 2 ounces, 210 calories. We're on. We did it. Now, if we doubled the serving size to 4 ounces, you'll see the calories went to 421. So you see there's still a little bit of inaccuracy in the calculator. And you see at 8 ounces is 842. And at a pound, it's 1684. And so on and so forth. Now basically, at some point, the amount of work we put into this density adjustment factor is just not going to be worth it. For this example, at 20 pounds, we're going to be off by, I think, like 100 calories or so. And for 100 calories and 20 pounds of food, it just doesn't matter too much. Okay? So at some point, we just have diminishing results and we just need to move on. So we did it. Okay, our -1 certainly is good enough for us. If we go over here to our, say, 6 ounces, 631 calories, that's only 1 calorie off. Certainly, it does what I need it to. It tells me how many calories I'm probably going to eat, and it does a good job of that. So at some point, you're just going to make the decision, I'm done. There we go, there's my calories. So, down here, let's just see how far off we were. For 20 pounds, it was 33,679. We can actually go back up here, get the food, the spaghetti noodles from our chart. because we actually made the chart super accurate. Okay, so the super accurate is 1.232. So it's a little bit different than the -1. And put in our serving size, 56 grams, 210 calories. Click on submit. Go down here. You'll see 33,600. The old one was 33,679. I was within 79 calories for 20 pounds of spaghetti. So you see, that's how that works. So at some point we'll have a good adjustment or a good enough adjustment and we're good to go. So you see we matched it to the side of the package with -1. We got what we needed, and that is how that works if the food isn't on our list. Because if you look at our list, we have a lot of foods. And so we're going to cover a lot of examples. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and go back here. Let's try some different foods now. In this calculator and just see how they calculate. So, we'll go over here. We'll just move that guy over there. Now, our first food is soda pop. And this is a biggie. Alright, our serving size is 1 cup or 240 milliliters. Remember, we're looking for milliliters. The calories is 100. Now, you see on this side of pop, it has given off, they actually do give the servings for the whole container. And some do and some don't. So that's kind of how it works. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our cup and our 100 calories and see how that works. Go back to the calculator. We still have our old information in here. Click on the reset button to get rid of it.